Sacred Secrets of Effective Essay Writing Process. In today's highly competitive and ever-changing world, it is extremely important to acquire the ability to explain your point of view, your contention, as well as the gist of the topic you are familiar with. Whether you intend to become a teacher or have chosen other career path, it is imperative, even indispensable for many careers, to develop good communicative skills. During your study at the university, you might be assigned with several types of written assignments that help you to develop and enhance communication skills. I would like in this article to focus on two of them: expository essay and persuasive essay. In spite of the fact that the structure, style, and some other elements of these writing projects are similar, there are some notable differences between them. The main purpose of expository essay is to teach you to develop communication skills by learning how to acquaint your reader or listener with the knowledge that you possess. Depending on the subject you are assigned with, your expository essay should include factual information which should be backed by reliable, trustworthy, and up-to-date evidence. It might be advisable to write in the third person in this type of the written assignment. Try to avoid using of such words as I, we, or are as much as possible. In this way, your expository essay would fit more to the standards of the educational institution set for this type of the essay. Also, remember, as this is a factual essay, you should avoid explaining your point of view or contention on particular subject, as in this case your attitude must be defended. The essay, where your contention is stated and defended, is named persuasive essay. I will deal with it later. Let us examine how the expository essay should be composed. First, you must state your thesis. One should bear in mind that it must not be too broad, as the length of expository essay is usually short. Your sentences should be written in easy-to-read, logical, and coherent style. All facts should be backed up by evidence. One should restate the thesis in the last final paragraph of the essay. If you follow these simple rules, you will be able to compose the expository essay that meets the requirements set by your tutor. In contrast to expository essay, persuasive essay should not only provide your reader with your contention, it should back it up so the reader understands why your point of view is better than the contentions of your opponents. Whereas the main purpose of expository essay is to explain the facts of view, the aim of persuasive essay is not only to explain your point of view, but to convince the reader that your point of view is right. The plan of your persuasive essay might be similar to expository one. However, it is advisable to include in the body of your assignments several important elements. First, one should consider strong and weak point of your argument and the contention of your opponents. Second, your contention in this type of the essay should be backed by the up-to-date and trustworthy evidence in order to convince your reader that information provided by you is reliable. In this way, it would be easy for you to learn how to persuade even the most skeptical persons.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.